Welcome to today's tutorial on how to create folders for your video projects and templates, so that you can manage them in an orderly manner. On your projects page, click the Add Folder button in the upper right corner, and enter a name to create a folder immediately. You can change the folder name at any time. Then, hover over a video project below, and click the three dots icon to find the option to move it to the folder you just created. You can also select multiple video projects at the same time and move them together. Well, dragging is an easier way. Open a folder and you can create a subfolder inside it to further categorize the video projects within it. To move a video project out of the current folder, just click the Move to Folder button again, and click the Move button without selecting any folders. You can delete unwanted folders at any time. The same method also applies to your own templates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tips and tricks.